Garage door openers are not all created equal, and choosing the wrong one could cost you hundreds of dollars and countless headaches. After testing the top models on the market, I found the clear winners. The Genie Chain Drive 550 is your budget-friendly champion at just $162, offering solid reliability without breaking the bank. It's surprisingly quiet for a chain drive and super easy to install yourself. If noise is your main concern, the Chamberlain B2405 belt drive is whisper quiet at $304. Perfect if your bedroom shares a wall with the garage. The smart features let you control everything from your phone, even when you're miles away. For replacing an existing opener, the LiftMaster 8165 at $227 is a contractor favorite that fits perfectly where your old unit was. And the Chamberlain C2405 at $230 hits the sweet spot between affordability and smart tech. Chain drives are generally more durable and cost-effective, but noisier, while belt drives offer peaceful operation at a premium price. Most openers last 10 to 15 years with proper maintenance. The real decision comes down to your specific needs. Do you need ultra-quiet operation, smart home integration, or just reliable performance at a reasonable price? Don't just buy the cheapest option. Match the opener to your lifestyle. A little research now saves you from that 2 a.m. garage door malfunction when you're trying to get to the airport for your vacation.